Welcome, dear children, to e-learning classes. I hope, dear children, you are reading the chapters. Now we move on to activity 2. Look at the first paragraph of the story above. Find the word brandished. Can you guess its meaning? Brandishing is an action. Discuss with your friend what it could be. Draw a picture of David brandishing the sling in a circle above his head. Now the picture has been given to you. You can draw it. Now brandishing means to wave a weapon over the head. Now activity 3 you have to do as your homework, and then activity 4 is you have to share your answers with one another. Now we move to activity 5, that is the story Young David and Goliath Part 2. David reached there where the battle was going on. All the king's soldiers were afraid because a huge Philistine giant called Goliath was standing in front of their camp and roaring in a loud voice like an angry lion. I am Goliath. I will destroy the land of Israel. Send your best soldiers to fight against me, and I will kill them. The king of Israel was worried about this, so he made a promise to his soldiers. The man who kills the giant Goliath will marry my daughter, and I'll give him gold and jewels, and he'll be the richest man in Israel. David heard it. He said, I will kill Goliath. The king and his brothers laughed at him as David was only a boy. Finally, the king agreed. Now here you can see that the war is about to start and the king has made a promise. What is the meaning of promise? You have to make 2 sentences using this phrase. It is a phrase. We also make so many promises. So first is the teacher made a promise to give a prize to the best student, and father made a promise to buy a new bicycle if I stood first in the class. Our parents also make promises and we also make promises. Now you have to find out at least 5 phrases and discuss with your friend. Here 5 phrases are given. You can make sentences on your own. We now move on to activity 6. What do you think happened? Did David win? Did Goliath kill David? Write the end of the story in 3 to 5 sentences below. So you can write like that. David took his sling and his bag of stone and went to fight Goliath. When the giant Goliath saw the small boy David, he started laughing. I can kill you in no time, Goliath said angrily. David took a stone from his bag, put it in the sling, and brandished it above his head. The stone flew into the air and hit Goliath between his eyes. Goliath fell down dead. I hope, dear children, you must have understood this activity. You must read the lesson every day so that you can understand it. Thank you for watching the video.